Hi students, welcome back to Trio Student Support Services. Today we have a new topic in the graphs and applications of linear equation, which is graphs of linear equations. So graphs of linear equation, the graph of an equation is a drawing that represents all of its solutions, all the possible solutions for the graph. So let's take an equation is said to be a linear equation when it is in the form of y is equals to mx plus b, or it's in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. And here in these equations, m, a, m, b, a, b, and c are constants. And a and b are not both zero. Okay, they shouldn't be zero. So, and the variables are x and y here. Let's say, for example, we have an equation y is equals to 2x plus 1. It is in the form of y is equals to mx plus b. So here y and x comma y are variables, so it can be substituted with any of the values. But the m and b are constants, okay? Constants, which are 2 and 1 remains constant, but x comma y we can substitute with any values. Similarly, let's take this example, 4q minus 3p is equals to 22, which is in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. So here a, b, and c are constants, which are 4, 3, and 22, which are a, b, and c are constants. P and q are variables. P and q are variables, which can be substituted with any of the values here. Okay. All right. Moving on. I hope you guys got a clear picture of what the equation is for the constants and the variables. So let's solve an example here. We have a graph which is y is equals to 2x. Now we need to find the points for x and y. Okay, let's start calculating it. So in general, calculating like three ordered pairs is not that difficult for any equation which is in the form of uh, y is equals to mx plus b. So it is in the form of this equation. It's a form of y is equals to mx. We don't have b, but yeah, it is in the form of y is equals to mx plus b, which is y is equals to 2x we have here. Okay. So we simply substitute values for x and calculate the corresponding values for y. So we are going to take any random values for x and we're going to calculate the value for y. So let's say first we need to find some ordered pairs that are solutions. So we choose any number for x and then determine y by substitution. Okay. Since y is equals to 2x, we find y by doubling x. Suppose let's say x is equals to 3. Okay. So we in the x comma y, we got x is equals to 3. Now we are going to find the y. Okay. So y is equals to 2 into 3. So y is equals to 6 here. So this is the first order pair. Okay. And the second one, let's take x is equals to minus 4. Okay. So then minus 4 is x. Now we are going to find y. So x, sorry, y is equals to 2 into minus 4. Y is equals to minus 8. This is the second coordinate. Minus 4 comma minus 8. Now let's take x is equals to 0. Okay. So y is equals to 2 into 0. Anything multiplied by 2 is 0. So y is equals to 0. So 0 comma 0. These are the three ordered pairs that we have. Okay. Now, so so x for the first one is 3 and y is 6. Okay. And for the second order pair, minus 4 and minus 8. Okay, so for third one, 0 and 0. So let's do another 2. So let's take x is equals to minus 7. Okay, so then y is equals to 2 into minus 7, which is y is equals to minus 14. Okay, and let's do minus 7 and minus 14. So now let's do x is equals to 3. So yeah, we already got 3, right? Let's take x is equals to 2. Okay, then y is equals to 2 into 2, then y is equals to 4 here. So 2 comma 4. Let's write the coordinates here, 3 comma 6 and minus 4 comma minus 8, 0 comma 0, minus 7 comma minus 4 and 2 comma 4. So first thing is to choose x, and next to compute the y and to form a pair, and then the plot the points. So we're going to plot the points now. So let's plot the point. The first one is 3 comma 6. So 3 and 6 is here. Okay. And the second point, minus 4 comma minus 8, it's here. Okay. And 0 comma 0, it's here. 7 comma minus 7 comma minus 14 is okay. So minus 7 comma minus 14 is here. Okay. And 2 comma 4. We have 2 comma 4. So when you draw a straight line, you draw a line, that will be the straight line. That's gonna be a straight line. So we can also compute more values if we want. So if any number takes off the graph paper, we either do not use it or use a larger paper. Okay, so since it's sufficient, it's fine. So now we plotted a graph and it's a straight line now. Okay, this is how we find the graphs for a linear equation. Okay, moving to next. So we have another example here. So let's take y is equals to minus 3x plus 1. So this is in the form of ax plus by is equals to, sorry, it is in the form of, it's in the form of y is equals to mx plus b.